carrot, carrot, zucchini, zucchini, cherry tomato, cherry tomato, watercress, watercress, rocket lettuce, rocket lettuce,
potato, potato, radish, radish, choy-sum, choy-sum, king oyster mushroom, king oyster mushroom, leek, leek, tomato, tomato, beetroot, beetroot, shallot, shallot, enoki mushroom, enoki mushroom, butternut squash, butternut squash, onion, onion, eggplant, eggplant, lily bulb, lily bulb, seafood mushroom, seafood mushroom, bitter melon, bitter melon, lettuce, lettuce, zucchini, zucchini, bamboo shoots, bamboo shoots, winter melon, winter melon, red onion, red onion, corn, corn, kale, kale, chayote, chayote, chive, chive, okra, okra, pea, pea, bok choy, bok choy, pea sprout, pea sprout, gai choy, gai choy, sweet potato, sweet potato, broccoli, broccoli, cauliflower, cauliflower, wasabi, wasabi, green radish, green radish, bean sprout, bean sprout, cabbage, cabbage, Brussels sprout, Brussels sprout, shiitake mushroom, shiitake mushroom, gailan, gailan, taro, taro, celery, celery, beets, beets, lotus root, lotus root, green bean, green bean, yam, yam,
mushroom, mushroom, scallion, scallion, broccolini, broccolini, aloe, aloe, spinach, spinach,
garlic, garlic, squash, squash, lotus seed, lotus seed, red radish, red radish, edamame, edamame. Green pepper, green pepper. Corn, corn. Parsley, parsley. Yellow chive, yellow chive. Asparagus, asparagus. Bell pepper, bell pepper. Cilantro, cilantro. Radish, radish. Thyme, thyme. Jalapeno, jalapeno. Cucumber, cucumber. Rosemary, rosemary. Red cabbage, red cabbage. Basil, basil. Ginger, ginger.
Well done. Repeat this video to practice more. Subscribe for more English learning videos.